Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to search new channel on Telegram. You have to open the Telegram and there will be I will teach you how to search new channel on Telegram. So first of all you have to just open the Telegram app. So what you have to gonna do, just simply you can search for channel like example the cricket. So I will type cricket. So there is a cricket channel, so you can select anyone. So I will select this and there is the channel and you will have to join it for see more things on this channel. So you have to must join it, and it's very easy to search new channel. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.